about therapy centers throughout the state of Tamil Nadu. Around 600 therapy centers will be opened. There will be some one-stop sub-centers. And where therapy can be taken, be physiotherapy, occupational therapy, speech therapy, or audiometry, anything is there. Why I'm putting this forward is, there is a shocking revelation that a study that autism is one of the important disability which is now been it's on the rise. Every family, or I mean for every 35 families, find an autistic kid. There are parents who do not know how to take care of these children, and they feel that things will set right. But then, once you catch these children early through our early intervention centers, I think there is a scope for development. So please, all of you, and I just wanted to put this message over here, as because of all your parents over here, you may have your neighbors having autistic kids and children with developmental delays. Please, the Government of Tamil Nadu is taking a major step in this Key and Right project to help you out, to counsel you, to give therapy, to get your children back on track. So please make use of this wonderful project which the Government of Tamil Nadu is now doing. Please, I request all of you, as a message, you may carry this. And there is also for the differently abled a social registry enrollment is going on, where the differently abled people, we actually do not know what is the actual number of people, differently abled people in Tamil Nadu. So I am putting this message across. There are our community resource workers who will be coming over to different household wise. So I request all the people over here to carry this message forward and see that once your community resource workers come to your house for this data sharing, please do share this data. This will help the government to plan better for the differently able to get various benefit schemes, and so that we can make their lives more meaningful, and we can fulfill their aspirations. So I request the cooperation and this sharing of messages, information to all of you, so that you take it across when you leave this, you go out from this celebrations. You please make it a point to carry this and say that Government of Tamil Nadu is now having a social registry enrollment for the differently able, and kindly help us, cooperate with us, and to get this data so that we can plan better. So that's a message I actually wanted to give you, and on this day I don't want to take much of your time, because it's been a wonderful gathering and reunion for many, and many people are waiting to get their awards. So I really take this opportunity to wish each and every Barodian, it is not 118, it should go to thousands and thousands of years, so that for the posterity your band does a wonderful job. It has